Skyjacker's Adventure Series Remote Reservoir 2.0 shocks are engineered for off-road enthusiasts seeking enhanced performance and durability. These shocks are built from a T61 T6 aluminum body, which dissipates heat 30% faster than steel competitors and boasts strengths on par with its counterpart. A full displaced valving system provides precise control and a smoother ride over rough terrain. And additionally, there's an internal floating piston in the reservoir that separates gas and oil, which eliminates shock fade and cavitation. These shocks feature a remote reservoir design that increases oil capacity and improves heat dissipation, ensuring consistent dampening even under extreme conditions. All that combined with high pressure nitrogen gas provides optimal performance and prolonged use. These shocks feature a 2-inch outside diameter body, a 14mm shock shaft, and since the IFP is in the reservoir, you actually get a little more travel inside of the shock. People ask us all the time, why Skyjacker ADX over competitors? 1, it's a multi-level sealing system which prevents leaks. 2, it's an aluminum body which prevents rust. And 3, it's a 2-year limited warranty. We know how hard you work for your money, so why not invest in a shock that you can count on? Visit us at skyjacker.com or find an authorized dealer near you.